Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 30th May 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note and witnessed swings within a defined range throughout the session. The index gradually inched lower until the final hour, reflecting a lack of momentum for most part of the day. However, in the last hour, bulls made a strong comeback as sharp buying emerged, pushing the index over 150 points higher to reclaim 24,800. On the daily chart, it formed a small body bullish candle with long lower shadow, indicating that buyers stepped in at lower levels, providing support. India VIX was down by around 9% to 16.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.86. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,300 to 25,300 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 884 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,286 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 20%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to hold above 24,800 for an up move towards 25,200, while support can be seen at 24,600. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for the next up move towards 56,000, while support can be seen at 55,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Cummins India, Deepak Nitrite, Prestige Estate, DLF, PB Fintech, Paytm, Granules, BSC and IndusInd Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Apollo Tyres, Escorts, Max Healthcare, Indian Bank, Godrej Consumer Products, ITC and Bajaj Finserv. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.